5 elements of abundance. Abundance isn't just about money in your bank. It's a way of being, a vibration, a life strategy. Today I want to share with you 5 core elements of abundance that can go far beyond your financial success. These are the inner roots that grow outer wealth, outer happiness, inner happiness and peace. Believe me, end of the day, what you need is just two things: peace and happiness. We have all been programmed to chase abundance outside of us, but true abundance starts like a starter fire within. Let's unlock the 5 elements of abundance that will shift your energy and your life results. Your external world is a printout of your inner world. The element 1 is clarity of desire. Clarity is equal to power. Abundance begins with clarity. You can't receive if you cannot see it, define it, feel it. Ask yourself, what do I truly desire? Why do I desire? What does an abundant life for me look like? Be very specific how much ever you can. And if you can use writing, jotting it down, documenting, it would be good. Do you want more time freedom? A peaceful home? A thriving business? What do you want? Clarity creates a magnetic force. It gives direction to your energy. Element 2 is abundant self-image. You will never rise above the image you hold of yourself. Ask yourself, do I see myself as worthy of wealth, worthy of relationships, worthy of abundance? Do I believe I can have more, do more, be more? Bob Proctor, my mentor, said it's best you were born rich. Your belief system is the only thing that keeps you poor. Start affirming, my dear friends, the identity of someone who attracts abundance naturally. Now the element 3, harmony and gratitude. This one is powerful. Gratitude aligns you with abundance instantly. It puts you into harmony with the frequency of receiving, and believe me, you are a container of money to receive. As much as which can come inside you, you will get in your life in the form of your results. Start and end your day with gratitude, not just for what you have, but what coming to you. Harmony means being in flow, not forcing, not chasing, just aligning. Element 4 is inspired action. Abundance doesn't mean sitting back and waiting. It means acting from a place of inspiration, not desperation. Listen to your inner voice and take small steps that feel you aligned, purposeful. It could be a phone call, a journal entry, a new offer, or saying no to something that is draining to you or your heart is not ready for. Action is how the invisible becomes visible. And 5, the 5th one is faith in the invisible. Yes, there is an invisible world, and at one moment you are connected with more than 1.5 lakh energies. Everything is energy. Abundance requires a level of trust even when you can't see the result yet. Faith isn't just spiritual, it's practical. When you move in faith, you stop doubting, you stop overthinking and sabotaging. You know, it's coming to you. You feel it's done. It's for you. That frequency attracts miracles faster than any strategy ever. Now, we will have a recap of what we discussed in this video. The 5 elements of abundance is the clarity of desire, the abundant self-image which you carry, harmony and gratitude, inspired action, faith in the invisible. Now, if you really felt that this few minutes video made sense to you, then the invitation comes to you to come over, see what is Money Manifestation Challenge and what it could be being with me for a year together. Abundance is not something you earn, it's something you align with. When you live, practice these 5 elements, you become a magnet, money magnet for everything meant for you: wealth, peace, love, purpose. Do write in the comments which of these elements you need to strengthen right now, right away with me. And if you want a free PDF guide to practice these daily, just type abundance below. Do like and share, subscribe this video, be in my channel, because your abundant life starts here. Friends, I'm Dr. Nahid Khan. I'm a neuroeducationist and a hypnotherapist, because it took me long years to realize that everything is actually an internal domain result. So my work in Money Manifestation Challenge and Time Audit really keeps you aligned. And this energy work helps you in all areas of life. So, how about connecting together and growing together? Thank you so much. Keep prospering, my friend.